So we just got back from Sturgis and we released the hand guards. And I'm going to show you how to install them. We're going to do yellow to go with the yellow and the gold. For this install, all you need is a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 1/2-inch socket, most of the time. Some of you might have aftermarket mirrors that have a different size nut or bolt on it. You can figure that part out, but majority, it's 1/2-inch. And these Arlen Nest mirrors, there's a little trick to it, and I will show you that here in a second. When you open the box, you're gonna have your small parts kit and your hand guards. Start by laying everything out. We got left and right. On the hand guards, the little flare goes to the top. So this is your left, and this is your right. It's as you're sitting on the bike, not when you're looking at it. Remember, the long bracket always goes on the left side because the mirror stem is further back, so we need to extend it out a little bit. We have 3 different fitment options as of right now: cable clutch, hydraulic clutch, and the new fairing bikes. We'll go over that here in a second. We'll shoot some video of it to show you the differences. But for right now, let's just focus on the install because the install is the same on everything. I'm going to take the handguard out, peel the film back a little bit, and take one of your grommets, work it in there. Okay, once your grommet's in, the hard part is try and get this nut in. And the easiest way is to take and kind of push that grommet out, get the nut started, and push it in. I'm going to take hardware out. These little star washers, they go between your mirror stem, the handguard, and then the handguard and your clutch or brake perch to keep it from rotating. You got these little screws and flat washers. Those go together. Okay, so this is our left side bracket, or handguard. So we use a longer bracket. And kind of push that nut up as you get the bolt started. It's a very tight fit, so you got to make sure your plate and that little groove are all lined up. And tighten that. Make sure you get it snug. You don't want that coming loose because you can't get to it later. That's the left side. Onto the right side. I found it's easiest to get it started and then just kind of work the grommet around. Make sure it's good. Push it in, make sure it's seated. Grab your nut, push that grommet out to get it started. Push it in. Grab your bracket and your bolt. And sometimes you don't have a cooler or a table, so you have to use a cooler. Not all of us are fancy and have cool shops. Okay, once that's done, I set those down, grab your ratchet, pop your mirror loose, slide your mirror out. Put a star washer on, slide bracket on, another star washer. I'm going to show you something with these Nest mirrors. We slide that in. If you look down here, there's really no stud sticking out. You can't get a nut on it. There's maybe a half a thread. So what we do to fix that, grab your 5/32, loosen that stud, and just turn it out a little ways. Ideally, you should take it all the way out and put Loctite on it, but for the purpose of this video, now you see how we got more sticking out. Take your nut, put that on. I like to set my hand guards about 3 fingers. take 3 fingers, slide it in between your lever and the handguard. Kind of sets that happy spot. Hold your mirror and your handguard so they don't move. And snug it down. And check your gap and then jump to the other side. And since these are Nest mirrors, we're going to loosen the stud. Let's turn it out a little ways. Slide our star washer, our handguard. Remember, the flare goes towards the mirror. You don't want to put them on upside down. As you're tightening, just make sure your handguard stays where you want it to, your mirror's where you want it. Tighten it. And the best part is pulling the film off. It's my favorite little part. Look at how good that looks. We got the handguards to match the windshield. Get yourself some Shine Works. Make sure you get those fingerprints off when you're done working on it. And the cool part about Shine Works, when you use it, you're applying a small little light layer of wax, which makes it a lot easier to clean bugs off in the future. She looks good. That's all there is to it. You need 2 tools in about 5 minutes. Pretty easy to do. If you want them, jump on getklock.com and order a set. Match your Klock Werks windshield. And we got them in clear, got them in tint, dark smoke, black. You don't have to do colors, but if you have a colored windshield, matching your handguards is just a nice little touch.